Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today we're back in Osaka. We're at a car shop that specializes in maintenance and importing. This is the ideal place for anyone interested in buying cars overseas. This is Com's Machining in Osaka. Let's walk around and take a tour of the shop. On the first floor is where they do maintenance on all the cars. This company specializes in Rotaries, but they also do a lot of work on Hondas. If you're wondering what their inventory looks like, you can see all the cars that they have for sale on their website. The shop has a unique design that's not really common in America. The building is multiple levels and it has a car elevator. They display a few of their cars on the upper levels. I gotta be honest and say I didn't know about this place and I kinda just stumbled upon it when I was driving around Osaka. I saw the RX-7 and the RWB Porsche displayed in the windows. That's what really caught my eye and made me want to stop by. Upstairs, they have a hangout and a lounge area for their customers. I was more interested in seeing their cars, so let's walk around and take a look at what they have. For anyone who stuck around this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the next Japan video.